Mr. Enger, what's the news?
Well, the news is that today, on January the 15th, we are launching M&G's activities in Belgium. We have been in many countries for a number of years in Europe, and today, for the first time, we are officially talking about M&G, the funds, the strategy that we intend to develop in Belgium.
And what is it you offer?
Well, we're offering a fund range composed of a total of 34 funds. So the 34 funds are in fixed income, are in equities, they are in multi-asset strategies. They are usually funds interested for the retail world, advisory activities from independent advisors or bank advisors in retail and private banks. We'll also be proposing our funds to institutional investors.
And what is the strength of your product?
We have a strength driven by the conviction that we give to our fund managers to express their views and therefore to give them the ability to generate the alpha that is so important to differentiate ourselves from ETF, from index tracker. So we have giving our fund managers lots of flexibility to be able to cope with different market environments, and that is true in multi-asset strategies and very much so as well in fixed income.
And why the Belgian market?
The Belgian market makes sense for us because it's got large banks operating in the country, as in France, as in many other European countries, but it also has a very large community of independent financial advisors. And M&G is a leader in that market in the UK. It is becoming a leader as well in countries such as France, so why not Belgium?
Aren't there already too many funds in the Belgian market?
I think it's a very interesting question. There are too many funds everywhere. The key is to have the right fund in the right place at the right time. And at M&G, we're not saying we have a fund for everyone, but we have a few funds which have proven to be in a very good position to respond to our clients. And as a result, even though there are many funds in Belgium, our funds, I think, will be in a position to differentiate and respond to the need of our clients.
And with which distribution partner do you cooperate?
We're going to cooperate with banks, retail and private banks, platforms, and independent financial advisors.
And how do you see the developments on the Belgian fund market?
Well, it's a very crowded environment. I'm not sure it's an environment that is growing very fast, but it's a big market. It's a market in Belgium which is very interesting because Belgian people have a strong interest in mutual funds. They have a very strong level of education when it comes to financial issues, and therefore, if you're coming in with the right brand, with the right proposition, with the right product, I believe we can gain some market share from the competition, and by that, be in a position to respond to their needs.